Hello, my dear students. Once again, welcome to your chemistry lab. And today, I'm going to show you a simple demonstration that what happens when I take a salt of carbonate and what happens when I add acid into it. So here I will be using hydrochloric acid. Okay, and so this will be very interesting because I will also show that how carbon dioxide gas comes out in the form of effervescence. Okay, so let's see the demonstration. Okay, so let me first show you what are the chemicals I'm going to use today. So first I will take sodium carbonate. Yes, this is sodium carbonate anhydrous. I will be using this as a source of carbon dioxide, or from the carbonate we will get carbon dioxide, and I'm going to use hydrochloric acid. Okay, so this is a hydrochloric acid. Okay, so these two things I will be using here in this demonstration, and I will also use blue litmus paper. Okay, and in the apparatus I am going to use I require a dropper, a spatula, okay, then a beaker. Here I have kept acid already. Okay, distilled water, okay, and obviously test tubes. Okay, so these are the things we need for this demonstration. Okay, so let's watch, let's see what happens. Okay, so first thing which I am going to do is that again I'm going to set my camera over here. Okay, now I have to prepare a solution of this sodium carbonate. Okay, so this is sodium carbonate. Okay, so I'm going to take out sodium carbonate and I'm going to, with the help of a spatula, here you can see. Okay, so here is the salt, you can see, and now I'm going to put it in. I will take little amount, little more. Okay, so I think this is sufficient. Okay, so then after this what we have to do is that I have to make the solution of it. So for that I require water. This is your distilled water, so which I am using. So I will add little amount of water. Okay, and then we have to shake it. Okay, so until it dissolve completely. Okay, it's take little amount of time. Okay, but you have to shake it until it get dissolved. Until and unless it get dissolved completely, you need to shake it properly. So here you can see it has already started dissolving, but it will dissolve completely. Okay, so it will become transparent. Okay, so I'll show you, just wait for a moment. Okay, I hope it is, see it has started dissolving in it. Okay, so already it has started dissolving. So I will leave it just for few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. I will leave it like that so that it dissolve completely. Okay, now in this experiment I'll be using, already I said that I will use sodium carbonate, okay, and as a source of carbon dioxide. Okay, because carbon dioxide is a gas, you know, and it is an acidic gas. Okay, acidic nature, and I am using hydrochloric acid. So what will happen if carbon dioxide, or what will happen if this salt is treated with hydrochloric acid? Okay, so let's see. I think, see, it has already started dissolving. You can see it. I hope it is, you can see it is already started dissolving. Okay, so as I said that you need to wait for a moment, so I will be taking freshly prepared. So I think within 1 more minute it will dissolve completely. Okay, and then we'll be ready for the further observation. Okay, so interestingly, carbon dioxide comes in the form of effervescence, right? So many students, they ask, sir, what is effervescence, how it shows? Actually it is when gas comes out in the forms of the bubbles. Okay, actually that is the effervescence. Okay, now carbon dioxide gas, if you pass it through the lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, it will turn milky. Okay, so I would like to show you here. You see it has already dissolved, right? Now what am I going to do is that I'm going to take little amount in another test tube. What is this? This is sodium carbonate. Okay, so I am taking it little amount in another test tube. Okay, and I will show you what happens. Let's see what happens when I add acid into it. Okay, so for that, see, this is the acid. Okay, now I will take the acid in the dropper. Little amount is enough. Just please pay attention here in this portion. You see what happened. Okay, so I'll tilt it like this. Okay, so now I will pour. Now can you see? Yes, the bubbles are forming here. My dear student, this is actually the carbon dioxide gas. This is actually the carbon dioxide gas which is coming. You can see here. I am trying to take it near this thing. Okay, so I hope it is clear. See, the carbon dioxide gas is evolving. Okay, see. So this is the effervescence. This is what I was telling, that this is the effervescence we will be getting, and this is carbon dioxide gas. See, okay, see, more I am. See. So at a time will come that no effervescence will come further, because already the carbon dioxide gas has evolved. Whatever the carbon dioxide gas present in this, it has evolved. Okay, so this is one part. Now let's see what happens if I use in the same experiment, okay, a moist blue litmus paper. You know, if it is acidic in nature, then what will happen? This moist blue litmus paper, I will moist it. Okay, it will turn into red. Okay, so let's see what happens. So for that, the first thing which I am going to do is, okay, let me keep this test tube first of all by one side, because I don't require, I have to wash it again. Okay, so I will wash and keep it by. Okay, so I have kept it side. Now the first thing is that I will put this, see, I have moist, this is now wet, this blue litmus paper. Okay, now again I am going to take this sodium carbonate. So again I have taken sodium carbonate. You can see here I have taken sodium carbonate. Okay, so now let's see what happens when I add acid. So obviously last time also you have seen that how the bubbles came out. That is only the effervescence, okay, of carbon dioxide. So let's see what happened. Okay, you can see how this gas came out. Now quickly I'll bring this blue litmus paper here. You can see it has already started changing into red color, isn't it? Now this shows that carbon dioxide gas is acidic in nature. You can see it has already turned into red. Yes, can you see my dear students? It has already started changing into red. See, so these gases, so this is the carbon dioxide gas, which is turning or making this blue litmus paper into red. So this shows carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. Okay, so I hope this indeed through this experiment or demonstration you have seen that how carbon dioxide gas comes in the form of effervescence. Okay, and the nature of carbon dioxide gas, it is acidic in nature. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you and stay safe. Bye bye.